Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates Mysuru Dasara Festival, extends her greetings to the people on the festive occasion. Navratri festival begins in Meghalaya with Gathastapana. Festivity grips the state. Over 217 crore 68 lakh COVID vaccine doses administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. And Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates state-level workshop on early childhood development. And now for the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the 10-day Mysuru Dasara festival by offering prayers to Goddess Chamundeshwari atop Chamundi Hills today. Starting a speech in Kannada, the President extended her greetings to the people on the festive occasion. She sought the blessing of Goddess Chamundeshwari for the well-being of the country and her people. The President said that Vijaya Dashmi is the celebration of victory of Goddess Chamundeshwari over demon Mahishasura and noted that the festival also celebrates women's power.
भारतीय समाज को उत्सवों के माध्यम से जोड़ रखे हैं। रामायण, महाभारत, पुराण, इतिहास और लोक कथाओं के देवी और मानवीय चरित्रों पर आधारित पर्व पूरे देश में मनाए जाते हैं। इस पर्व में विविधता के साथ-साथ एकरूपता भी दिखाई देती है। मैसूरू दशहरा भारतीय संस्कृति के गौरव का पर्व भी।
Along with the whole country, the 9-day Navratri festival started in Shillong with Gathastapana, the most important ritual during Navratri. It is done to mark the beginning of the 9-day festival. The Gathastapana Abhijit Muhurat took place from 11:48 a.m. to 12:36 p.m. Navratri 2022 Pratipada Tithi will begin on September 26th and will end on September 27th. This year's Durga Puja festival will be celebrated from October 2nd to October 5th. In Khasi Hills district, there will be 126 community pujas, 11 in Jainta Hills and 120 in Garo Hills district. Over 217 crore 68 lakh COVID vaccine doses have been administered under the nationwide vaccination drive so far. During the last 24 hours, more than 11 lakh 67,000 doses were administered, while around 5,000 people recovered. Currently, the recovery rate stands at 98.72%. The total number of recoveries have reached over 4 crore 40 lakh. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, 8 new cases were detected and 7 recoveries registered. The overall total confirmed cases stands at 96,671, active cases 59, total recovered cases 94,990 and total deaths at 1,622. Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission organized a one-day state-level workshop on early childhood development on Monday. Speaking at the program, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma urged the participants of the workshop to connect to the larger goal and not to take the program as an early childhood program, only taking into account the cognitive thinking capacity of a child which develops from the age of 8. He expressed concern that the state as a community start focusing on children only when they are 15 years only. He said that the early childhood development is going to be an investment with a goal to make our children more productive.
I keep telling people the biggest change and the most difficult change to bring is not development. The biggest change and the most difficult change to bring is the change in the mindset of officials, of leaders, of public. And hence this important change in the mindset is very critical. This early childhood development is going to be an investment, as mentioned. We will be able to make our children more productive. They will be having a much better thinking capacity. So therefore, it's not a small program, and please don't take it lightly.
The PHE contractors under the banner of PHE Western Circle Contractors and Supplier Association involved in the implementation of the JJM project has threatened to move court. The contractors executing the different work under the Jal Jeevan Mission scheme stated that due to the increase in the purchase of GI pipe, the labour component which is due to them is being reduced proportionately corresponding to the amount increase. JTS Thongni, president of the association, said that as a result of this method adopted by the department, we contractors are either incurring losses or no benefit at all. The association has demanded the PHE department to look into the matter at the earliest and find ways and means to solve the issue.
Lasu prinsipasna istimet kerki yaki ofisa yaki staff bejongi da kata dor kabarim jom arja kesawasan klem da lap reban up yaka dor kabat mai kat kum notification ke balak penmi ya usna maraja puer puar kamutban ka sakta penbang yaka bible la kajongi da kaba ki kateno wat ika hok kajongi jom usna maraja lakar pan ika sorkan bayakan ini minum syak dan leher ambang tak ya kabai belah bang yang ke sorkar bang kadai ban perkat ya kan ni balaraja ke sorkar ka sengap man kam sim ya kecik klik ban perkat ika hok long trai jongi kinong belah ni layarai kum kalsium bang hap antir jingkan haduk kajing bisa.
RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has said that the Sangh has no intention to change anyone's religion as it believes in diversities of unity. Bhagwat said even before the Mughals who spread Islam and the British rulers who spread Christianity, Hindus were already in existence. He said that people are afraid that the Sangh will turn everyone into Hindus, but everyone is from Bharat, and to become a Hindu one need not change anyone as everyone are already Hindus. This is for the third time that Bhagwat is visiting the state. Besides the RSS workers from all over the state, several BJP leaders, Hindu organizations and prominent citizens attended the event organized by the Meghalaya unit of RSS. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 22.8 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 17.4 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 93% and in the evening 98%, rainfall 28.8 millimeters. Forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates Mysuru Dasara festival, extends her greeting to the people on the festive occasion. Navratri festival begins in Meghalaya with Gathastapana. Festivity grips the state. Over 217 crores 68 lakh COVID vaccine doses administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. And Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates state-level workshop on early childhood development. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.